session of the AICTE Training and Learning Academy's one-week faculty development program on sustainable change management in Technical Institute for National Education Policy 2020 implementation, organized by Government Engineering College, Bilaspur. I, Indrani Borkar, on the behalf of Department of Electrical Engineering, Government Engineering College, Bilaspur, welcome you all in this session. I am overjoyed to take the opportunity to welcome our esteemed guests for today's valedictory session. I welcome our chief guest of this session, respected Shri Dhananjay Devangan, IAS and Secretary Higher Education Chhattisgarh, and he has additional charge of Secretary Department Technical Education and Employment Chhattisgarh. I will also welcome respected Shri Avnish Kumar Sharan, IAS. He will be joining us after some moment. And he is the Director, Technical Education, Employment and Training, Chhattisgarh. He has also additional charge of CEO, State Skill Development Authority, Chhattisgarh. This session will be presided over by him. Also welcome the special guest, respected Sri Divakar Mishra, retired IFS, State Project Administrator, SPIU, Chhattisgarh. Welcome Principal GC Bilaspur, Dr. B.S. Chawla, and the course coordinator, Dr. S.K. Singhai, and I also welcome all the participants. On behalf of the Institute, I cordially welcome you all. The National Education Policy 2020 envisions a contemporary education system that foresees to contribute directly to transform our nation sustainably into vibrant knowledge society. By providing high quality education to all, the NEP is ambitious and futuristic, but much of its success will depend on how it is executed. There is a need to create awareness about NEP amongst teachers, students, officials, and other stakeholders in the higher education system so that we can together help India in becoming a knowledge superpower. We have witnessed valuable and informative sessions by well-known personalities from academia and industry in this FDP. Now, I welcome and invite Dr. S.K. Singhai, Course Coordinator and Head of Department Electrical Engineering, GC Bilaspur, for the address. Please, sir.
Thank you, Indrani. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Respected Chief Guest of the function, Shri Dhananjay Devangan Sir, IAS, Secretary, Government of Chhattisgarh. Respected Avinash Saran Sir, IAS, Director Technical Education, who will soon be joining us. Respected Shri Divakar Mishra Sir, retired IFS and SPA Chhattisgarh. Respected Principal Sir of Government Engineering College Bilaspur, Dr. B.S. Chawla Sir, members of the organizing team, and dear participants. Every good thing comes to an end, and this FDP is also no exception. In the last 5 days, 184 participants from 20 different states of the country have interacted with many eminent professors like Director IIT Bhilai, Professor Rajat Poona, Director IIM Nagpur, Professor Bhimrao Maitri, HOD Vinod Gupta School of Management IIT Kharagpur, Professor Sangeeta Sahni ma'am, and many other professors of similar repute from many other institutes of national importance. For us, it took months together to take appointments from so senior professors. The FDP was sponsored by AICT's Teaching and Learning Academy, and it was coordinated by Electrical Engineering Department of Government Engineering College Bilaspur. During the FDP, lot of learning has taken place in the field of NEP 2020 and concepts of change management, which can now be used by our participants to implement the NEP in the near future as and when their state decides so. In the last but not least, I am very much thankful to all respected guests who have joined this function at ATEL Academy for providing us this opportunity where we could learn from so many eminent speakers. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now for the feedbacks on this FDP, I would like to invite one of our participants, I invite Professor Santanu Basu, Assistant Professor, Calcutta Institute of Technology, West Bengal. Please, sir.
May I audible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Audible and visible? Okay, may I start? Okay. With all of your permission, I am starting. Very good afternoon to all of our most honored guests, the Secretary, sir, Technical Education Chhattisgarh, the Director, sir, Technical Education Chhattisgarh, State Project Administrator, sir, SPIU Chhattisgarh, FDP Patron, GECB Principal, Professor Chawla, sir, FDP Coordinator, Professor Singhai, sir, all the members of the Atal FDP organizing team, all the distinguished speakers and resource persons, and my dear co-attendees, teaching faculties from 20 states. I am very much fortunate to share this virtual dais with all of you. I feel a sense of pride and feel greatly honored to have joined this 1 week FDP, and for that obviously thankful to AICTE, a Ministry of Education, and my college CIT. I must heartily and fervently thank all of you to shower on me such an opportunity for valedictory speech. To start with, the scintillating program TEL of 5-day FDP has been enriched all of us with many valuable and thoughtful provoking suggestions. Regarding choice of course content, it was well in tune with the objectives of FDP. Choice of topic for speakers, very much relevant to the aims and objectives of FDP. Choice of speakers or research persons, wonderful, beyond any question. All of them are either technical teaching experts, management teaching personnel, psychologists, educational consultants, etc. They are well versed, experienced, and have proven expertise in their domain and related ones. Their knowledge base, delivery, innovative interaction techniques, evaluation, etc. all are unique and proved very much effective for all of us. Truly speaking, sir, this FDP have covered a lot of topics: organizational learning, change management, OBE, stretch management, etc. So number of things, all in the light of NEP 2020 implementation mainly, and each of which separately actually is the topic of a few many upcoming Atal FDPs listed for August to December 21 if we go through the AICT list. In a nutshell, everything has been covered over here. Now conducting this FDP, very systematic, disciplined, well chalked out, coordinated approach has been adopted. We are grateful to FDP team, especially Professor Vivek Singh Rathod sir for his efficient technical handling, Ms. Indrani Borkam ma'am for her fine anchoring, and above all, obviously FDP coordinator Professor Singhai sir for his consistent administering and honest devotion, and to all for their sincere, tedious efforts throughout all 5 days, during and after this session, and even late at night, addressing all sorts of problems of the attendees or speakers, etc., and conveying them necessary instructions so far as practicable, obtaining reading materials from the resource persons, and uploading PPT and PDFs to WhatsApp groups with YouTube links or emailing. In a word, striving for 24/7 online assistance, which actually made this FDP program a grand success. In this context, I would like to convey my deepest gratitude to FDP coordinator Singhai sir for giving his 11th hour approval to my application about 7:45 p.m. on 22nd August while driving his car just the evening before FDP actually, and today shortlisting me, and this proves his sincerity to make a grand success of this program. Now regarding evaluation, on day 4, Professor Vishal sir from IIM Nagpur presented a discussion on organizational learning based on a pre-session survey. And on the same day, the last day, day 4, group activity exercises on case study, followed by discussion by Dr. Srinivasan sir, IIT KGP. Both are very effective and actually almost the whole thing complete Bloom's taxonomy. Hopefully, the upcoming MCQ test to be held just after this valedictory session will also be a fruitful one. Now, a few suggestions for more effective FDP from a small fry like me. If 5 or 10 minutes MCQ based short test after end of every speech or topic, together with program end final test like AICTE FDP on UHV program and others may be adopted, then concept of CCE, continuous comprehensive learning or evaluation techniques could be realized. And number two, though scope was limited, but a little more was expected regarding the discussion on future of polytechnic education in India after NEP 2020 implementation. And as such, room is open for more insightful discussion specifically in this area. Last but not the least, takeaways of the program. Personally, this would enable me to commit myself to greater goals. And I hope we all would be eagerly waiting for such programs for easy adoption of NEP 2020 and its implementation for sustainable change management. And then only the aim of this FDP will be fulfilled. So we may end up in Tagore's tune. এখন আর দেরি নয় ধরগো তোরা হাতে হাতে ধরগো means right now without any delay come forward all of you all of us put hand in hand and start the journey for NEP 2020 implementation for Atmanirbhar Bharat and to make our mother India as a global leader. Once again, thanks to everyone for patient hearing and wishing everyone best of luck. And I beg also apology for to not actually crossing the time limit for this allotted to me by Professor Singhai sir. Shantanu Basu, Assistant Professor Physics, CIT, West Bengal. Thank you, sir. Namaste, Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.
Thank you, sir, for your feedback. Now I invite Professor Ramya Sampath from SRM Institute of Science and Technology for the feedback. Please, ma'am.
Yes, thank you so much for that. A very warm good afternoon to all the dignitaries present here. My pranams to all of you. I would like to start with a quote. The most valuable resource that all teachers have is each other. Without collaboration, our growth is limited to our own perspectives. This is what this FDP has done to us. The collaboration among the teachers is the need of the hour to implement NEP 2020. And the organizing team, I would like to really congratulate Government Engineering College Bilaspur, the principal, the convener, and the coordinators for thinking on a very effective topic, the need of the hour topic, because all of us are new to this NEP. The bodies who have created that, the statute or the ideology, they are aware. So the team have made those people who were a part of this NEP to be rolled out. They have invited them and they have given us a very clear picture of what NEP 2020 is. They did not stop it there. They have gone a bit ahead and told us what NEP is, how when we bring a change, what happens in the system, what are the approaches to be dealt with, the grading system, the evaluation pattern, the change which will happen psychologically in a faculty as well as the students, what is expected in the future, all that is being dealt, and their schedule very clearly explains as how right from making it happen, that's how the session started, making it happen, and the FDP has made it happen because they have sowed the seed within each and every participant of what this NEP 2020 is, what kind of change it's going to bring about in the education system, how holistic it is going to be. So without this effort made by Government Engineering College Bilaspur, the team especially, I'm sure the 150 participants who are here would not have had this much of light on what NEP 2020 is. We wholeheartedly thank the entire team for thinking on the need of the hour topic. And I would also like to take upon one of my colleagues' feedback who has shared it to me. The theme of FDP can be analyzed as the topic of the research paper. The three keywords, namely NEP 2020, change management, and sustainability, are the need of the hour for every higher education institution to sustain in the current scenario. The contents covered in the FDP is a mix of change management and NEP 2020. The correct proportion shows the choice of wonderful resource persons. Great learnings on all 5 days. Request to continue this type of FDP is the one shared by Dr. K. Parvadam, So I also would like to join with ma'am and say that this is just a beginning. So this beginning, as Sindhasa said, every FTP comes to a close. Yes, this come to a close, but it is going to come with the new openings because you have given us a lot of insights of what NEP 2020 is. Each and every one of us have a take home where we can elaborate on among the faculty members in our institution of how effectively this can be implemented. Once again, I thank you all for having given me the opportunity to deliver the FTP, the feedback on this FTP. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your feedback and your suggestions. Now, I invite the patron and principal, Dr. B.S. Chawla, for the address. Please, sir.
थैंक यू इंद्राणी। आज के कार्यक्रम के मुख्य अतिथि माननीय श्री धनंजय देवांगन सर, IAS, सचिव छत्तीसगढ़ शासन, उच्च शिक्षा, तकनीकी शिक्षा एवं रोजगार विभाग। कार्यक्रम के अध्यक्ष माननीय श्री अवनीश शरण सर, IAS, संचालक तकनीकी शिक्षा, रोजगार एवं कौशल शिक्षा। कार्यक्रम के विशिष्ट अतिथि आदरणीय श्री दिवाकर मिश्रा जी, रिटायर्ड IFS, राज्य परियोजना प्रशासक SPIU टेक्यूब 3 छत्तीसगढ़। कार्यक्रम के समन्वयक विद्युत विभाग के HOD प्रोफेसर SK सिंघई, ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम से प्रोफेसर विवेक राठौर, प्रोफेसर इंद्राणी और सभी टीम के सदस्य। इस कार्यक्रम में शामिल सभी रेस्पेक्टेड पार्टिसिपेंट्स, आप सबका, माननीय अतिथियों का इस कार्यक्रम में हृदय से स्वागत है। सर, आपने अपने बहुत ही बिजी शेड्यूल से हम लोगों के लिए समय निकाला, जबकि आपके नेशनल VC चल रही है। हम लोग कृतज्ञ हैं इसके लिए। 1 वर्ष पूर्व NEP की घोषणा हुई थी और अब समय है उसके चरणबद्ध क्रियान्वयन का, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन का। इस दिशा में महाविद्यालय में जो चेंजेस होने हैं मैनेजमेंट में, उसके बारे में सोच की गई है इन 5 दिनों में। भारत सरकार द्वारा नई शिक्षा नीति को इस सोच के साथ लागू किया गया है कि पूरा विश्व एक है, ग्लोबल सिटीजन, ग्लोबल प्लेसमेंट, ग्लोबल मैन पावर ऐसे रूप से तैयार किए जाए जो कॉम्प्लेक्स थिंकिंग, एनालिटिकल स्किल, रियल लाइफ सॉल्यूशंस को हैंडल कर सकें। NEP के विभिन्न विषयों पर 5 दिनों में IIM, IIT और अन्य रेपुटेड इंडस्ट्रीज के एक्सपर्ट्स ने अपने व्यूज पार्टिसिपेंट्स को दिए और पार्टिसिपेंट्स ने बहुत ही सक्रिय रूप से भाग लेकर इसका लाभ उठाया। सर, GEC बिलासपुर को इस वर्ष 5 प्रोग्राम्स की अनुमति मिली है, जिनमें से ये तीसरा कार्यक्रम है सर FDP का। और ये राज्य के लिए और महाविद्यालय के अत्यंत गौरव की बात है कि AICTE ने राज्य पे विश्वास किया और अखिल भारतीय स्तर के इस कार्यक्रम के आयोजन का हमको मौका दिया। सर, आपकी एबल गाइडेंस, रेगुलर मोटिवेशन और इंस्पिरेशन के कारण हमारा महाविद्यालय हमेशा उत्कृष्टता को छूने की दिशा में अग्रसर रहता है और तकनीकी शिक्षा और छत्तीसगढ़ राज्य का नाम देश में रोशन करने के लिए हम हमेशा कटिबद्ध रहते हैं। आपकी इस गरिमामय उपस्थिति के लिए पुनः हृदय से आभार। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir,
थैंक
for
यू।
your motivating words. And now I invite the special guest of today's program, Shri Divakar Mishra, retired IFS, State Project Administrator, SPIU Chhattisgarh, for his address. Please, sir.
I think mic is muted, I think. Divakar sir, please unmute your mic, sir.
Divakar sir, please unmute your mic if it is muted. Sir, are you able to listen? Vivek, can you call him, please?
Sir, I think his name is also not showing here. Maybe some technical issue. I'll call him.
So, sir, can we go ahead, sir?
माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय को आमंत्रित करें।
जी, इंद्राणी।
Yes.
म्यूट कर दिया। हेलो,
Yes.
दिवाकर सर आ गए सर।
जी सर,
दिवाकर
प्लीज
सर आ
सर।
गए।
Sir, please. Please.
गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल। आज के क्लोजिंग सत्र के मुख्य अतिथि आदरणीय श्री धनंजय देवांगन जी, आईएएस सचिव उच्च एवं तकनीकी शिक्षा, अध्यक्ष श्री अवनीश शरण जी, डायरेक्टर टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, श्री चावला जी, बीएस चावला, प्रिंसिपल जीएसी बिलासपुर, श्री एसके सिंघई, कोर्स कोऑर्डिनेटर, एवं उपस्थित समस्त सम्माननीय फैकल्टी। ये 5 दिन का जो एफडीपी था, इसमें पूरे 20 राज्यों के लगभग 180 फैकल्टी द्वारा भाग लिया गया और एनआईटी नागपुर, आईआईटी खड़गपुर, आईआईएम इंदौर एवं अन्य संस्थानों के विख्यात फैकल्टी द्वारा इन्हें सब जानकारी दी गई है, जो कि एनईपी के इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में काफ़ी मदद करेगी। राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति में जो मुख्य बात है वो ये है कि ग्रॉस इनरोलमेंट रेशियो, यानी जितने छात्र अभी कैंपस में हैं उसको डबल करना है। तो ये एक काफ़ी बड़ा चेंज होगा कि छात्रों की संख्या डबल हो जाएगी। दूसरा जो मुख्य बात है कि नई नई जो इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी है, जैसे कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मशीन लर्निंग, 3D प्रिंटिंग और इस तरह के जो नई विधाएं हैं, उन सब के ऊपर ज़्यादा फोकस रहेगा और इसे अपनाना, डाटा साइंस, इन सब की जानकारी दिया जाना विद्यार्थियों को काफ़ी उचित रहेगा। एक और जो अच्छी बात इसमें है कि जो मातृभाषा है राज्यों की या लोकल लैंग्वेज, रीजनल लैंग्वेज में भी तकनीकी शिक्षा को दिया जाना है और इस वर्ष 14 कॉलेजों में 6 भाषाओं में, रीजनल लैंग्वेज में, हिंदी, मराठी, बंगला, तमिल, इसमें इस बार इंजीनियरिंग की शिक्षा दी जा रही है, जो कि हमारे राज्य के बस्तर एवं अन्य जो सरगुजा के इंजीनियरिंग के छात्र हैं, जिनकी अंग्रेजी में उतनी अच्छी पकड़ लिखने की और बोलने की नहीं है संभवतः, उन्हें काफ़ी फायदा होगा। और अंग्रेजी का जो है एक सब्जेक्ट के रूप में ये पढ़ाया जाता रहेगा। और एक और जो बड़ी चीज़ है इसमें कि मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी, जैसे एक संस्थान है इंजीनियरिंग का, इसमें अन्य विषय भी होंगे और आजकल मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी का युग है। पिछले 1.5 साल से हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर्स, बायोलॉजिस्ट, वायरोलॉजिस्ट, इन सब ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से कोऑर्डिनेट करके 1.5 साल में ही काफ़ी वैक्सीन्स बनाई है। बिना सबके संभव के कोलैबोरेशन के ये सब संभव नहीं है। ये सब चीज़ें हैं। और दूसरी चीज़ जो पिछले 2-3 वर्षों में टेक्यूब 3 से जो कुछ भी उपलब्धियां हुई है, पॉजिटिव डेवलपमेंट्स हमारे राज्य के संस्थानों में, विशेषकर जीईसी बिलासपुर में 4 एनबीए मिले हैं, सिविल, मैकेनिकल, इलेक्ट्रिकल और माइनिंग, और एक में अभी सितंबर के प्रथम सप्ताह में एनबीए की विजिट ड्यू है। इन सब का समय जून में ख़त्म हो गया है। तो मैं आग्रह करूंगा आदरणीय सचिव महोदय एवं तकनीकी शिक्षा डायरेक्टर एवं प्राचार्य महोदय से कि इसको सस्टेन करें, क्योंकि जो अच्छी चीज़ हो गई है प्रोजेक्ट में उसको आगे बढ़ाते रहने से ही होगा, नहीं तो ये मोमेंटम टूटने से इसमें फिर दोबारा से पूरा प्रयास करना पड़ेगा। और एक ये आदत होती है एक्सेलेंस की, जैसे हमारे आईआईटी, एनआईटी और दूसरे अन्य संस्थानों में है, वहाँ पर वो एक्सेलेंस को चेज करते हैं और एक्सेलेंस को चेज करने से काफ़ी उनके रिजल्ट्स पॉजिटिव रहते हैं। दूसरा, पर्सनल नोट पे, मेरा 3 वर्ष का जो एसपीए के रूप में कार्यकाल है वो पूर्ण हो गया है। मैं आदरणीय सचिव श्री धनंजय देवांगन जी, डायरेक्टर श्री अवनीश शरण जी, प्राचार्य रायपुर डॉक्टर परिहार, बिलासपुर डॉक्टर बीएस चावला, जगदलपुर डॉक्टर एमआर खान, लखनपुर डॉक्टर आरएन खरे, समस्त टेक्यूब कोऑर्डिनेटर एवं टीम को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूं कि आप लोगों ने टेक्यूब 3 के जो भी निर्देश भारत सरकार के शिक्षा मंत्रालय और एनपीआईयू से आए उसका आपने बहुत अच्छे से पालन कराया और मुझको काफ़ी कुछ सीखने का मौका मिला। मैं तो दूसरे विधा से हूँ, फॉरेस्ट सर्विस से, फिर भी इंजीनियरिंग आप लोगों के सानिध्य में थोड़ा कुछ मैंने सीखा है, जो कि मेरे लिए एक धरोहर के रूप में रहेगा। आप सभी लोगों को सहयोग के लिए धन्यवाद। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivating words. Now, with the permission of coordinator, I would like to call our chief guest. Sir,
Yes, please.
I am delighted to take an opportunity to introduce our chief guest of the session, respected Sri Dhananjay Devangan, IAS, and the Secretary of Higher Education Chhattisgarh, and also Secretary of Technical Education and Employment Chhattisgarh. Sir, we are overwhelmed with your presence. So I welcome you for your address. Please, sir.
Respected guest of honor, Sri Divakar Mishra Sahab, respected principal of GEC Bilaspur, Dr. B.S. Chawla, and other dignitaries, distinguished professors, associate professors, and assistant professors, and those students who are viewing through links. It is indeed my honor and privilege to attend this valedictory session of Faculty Development Program organized by GEC Bilaspur under AICTE Training and Learning Academy. As the theme of this FDP, Sustainable Change Management in Technical Institutes under the purview of the NEP 2020. Our technical institutes have great responsibility of providing sustainable alternatives in management of technical education. I am very happy that the GEC Bilaspur is taking a leading step towards this direction. Resultantly, this FDP has been organized by GEC Bilaspur. Under the new NEP 2020, a child is groomed in a 5+3+3+4 model, and when he or she reaches a technical institute, he will be having the freedom of selection of such subjects like economics, political science, sociology, and other humanities subjects as per his preference. Now, the role of institutions where this budding engineer is being groomed enhances, as the institute will have to provide such facility to each student. Therefore, a very challenging situation arises before our technical institutions, as traditionally these institutions are professionally and academically not ready for such scenario. Hence, the concept of faculty development program under the umbrella of AICTE in the name of Atal is organized. I am very happy that the GEC Bilaspur is heading towards it, resulting in this pioneering FDP. I am sure that the outcome of this FDP will be a lighthouse in the scenario, where other technical institutes will follow paths shown by GEC Bilaspur. Another important aspects on which I would like to stress upon is a challenge to all technical institutions to provide leadership in finding sustainable management changes in the existing setup of our institutions. Our future higher education institutions will have a challenge of providing diverse academic atmosphere for each student as per his interest and desire. NAP 2020 envisages revolutionary changes in the faculties of our institutions, and these changes will have to be categorically student friendly, and we must ensure such steps that a student steps out of the institution professionally and academically skilled to find a job immediately in his desired field. On this valedictory occasion, I congratulate the organizers, especially Dr. B.S. Chawla and his team, and the participants of the FDP, and request them to share it with other institutes. 16th century French philosopher René Descartes said, I exist because I think. Surely, our faculty has to think deeply about these sustainable changes, and it should be shared widely across other institutions also. Let us make our educational institutions ready for catering the needs of the modern era, and we should be technically and professionally advanced and prepared for the rapidly changing education and employment scenario of the country and world also. I stress upon the fact, early we start in this direction, sooner we will get the result, and larger number of our students will be employable immediately after their graduation. This is the core purpose of NAP 2020. I extend my best wishes to all participants and urge them to think in this direction continuously while improvising their teaching methods. Once again, I thank GEC Bilaspur for providing me the honor and opportunity to interact with the participants of this FDP. APG, Dr. APG Abdul Kalam Azad, Abdul Kalam जी ये कहते थे कि युवाओं को स्वप्न देखना चाहिए और बहुत ज्यादा देखना चाहिए, क्योंकि स्वप्न देखने के बाद ही इसे मूर्त रूप कैसे दिया जा सकता है, इसके बारे में प्रयास हो सकता है। आज मैं अखबार में पढ़ रहा था कि NIT के कुछ बच्चों को 55 से 60 लाख रुपए का पैकेज मिला हुआ है, उनको बधाई। लेकिन NAP 2020 में हम यह स्वप्न देखेंगे कि ये 55 से 60 लाख का जो पैकेज है किसी मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज के द्वारा ऑफर न किया जाकर हमारे यही जो NIT रायपुर है या GEC बिलासपुर है या GEC जगदलपुर है या GEC रायपुर है, वहीं का पास आउट सीनियर अपने जूनियर्स को ऑफर कर सके, ये स्वप्न देखना है। NAP का जो नटसेल 2020 में है, इसके लिए मैं आप सभी लोगों से अर्ज करूंगा कि ये जो FDP का जो मैसेज आपको मिला होगा, ये इसको कंटिन्यू रखा जाए और शेयर किया जाए। थैंक यू टू ऑल। Once again, I would like to congratulate Dr. B.S. Chawla and his team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
इंद्राणी अनम्यूट करिए।
It is a great honor for me to thank our chief guest, respected Shri Dhananjay Devangan, IAS. We are really thankful for him for taking the time out of his busy schedule. Thank you, sir, for your motivating words. And at the end of the session, I would like to invite Dr. A.K. Shukla Associate Professor, Electrical Engineering Department, and Assistant Coordinator of this FDP to propose vote of thanks. Please, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You are.
Good afternoon, everyone. So finally, we have reached to the end of this program, AICT Atal Online FDP on Sustainable Change Management in Technical Institutes for NEP 2020 implementation. So I congratulate to all. Honorable Sri Dhananjay Devangan, IAS, Secretary Technical Education, Higher Education and Employment, Government of CG. Sir, on behalf of GEC Bilaspur and on my personal behalf, I thank you for sparing your valuable time to grace this occasion. Sir, I am confident that in coming days, we'll create a good academic environment in the direction of NEP. I also thank respected Sri Avnish Saran, IAS Director Technical Education, Chhattisgarh, for his constant support and guidance for conducting these types of events. Without his support, it is not possible for us to move ahead. I am thankful to Sri Divakar Misra sir, retired IFS, as State Project Administrator for TechKeep 3. Sir, you have been a constant motivating force for us. So thanks for all your support. I am thankful to all the eminent experts from highly reputed and role model institutes like IITs, IIMs, NITs, etc. We are very fortunate to have these experts and got benefited with their expertise. I am also thankful to respected Dr. B.S. Chawla for providing all the facilities and supports for conducting this event successfully. Our institute is really very happy to have the participants from different parts of our country. Knowledge thirsty and interactive participants make any program a very good program. And we are lucky that all our participants are knowledge thirsty and they are highly interactive. So they made this program very useful and very informative. So I thank on behalf of my institute all the participants for your active participation. Last but not least, I am thankful to Dr. S.K. Singhai, coordinator of this program, Department of Electrical Engineering, all the head of the department of our institute, all the faculty of electrical department, all the faculty of our institute, all the supporting staff, and especially Vivek and Indrani. You all have done a great job. So thanks to all. Once again, I extend my sincere thanks to all the dignitaries and all the guests. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Indrani.
So I request, yes,
Now it is time for Vivek, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vivek, sir, please tell the modalities of the test, how you are going to conduct the test.
Yes, sir. The test just after this session, I will be posting the link of assessment test in the WhatsApp group also and through mail also. The test will consist of 30 MCQ questions, objective type, and those questions are based on the learnings which we have learned in the 5 days FDP. So and all are of objective type only. So total 45 minutes will be given to you, and it is in the Google form only. So you need to click on it and then submit it. And after by the evening we'll mail the answer keys and the marks also. Okay. So and after that, from your side we'll need your feedback. So through AICT portal only you can fill the feedback, and after filling the feedback, and if after our filling the attendance and assessment marks, you will be provided the certificate through AICT portal only. Okay. Thank you so much.
I want to make things little bit more clear. As Vivek said, that link of the test will be available on your WhatsApp group. It will also be sent to your email. Maybe after we will give you some 15 minutes, 2:30 Vivek you share, make it 2:30.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 2:30 you share through WhatsApp and through email. This is one thing, that test you have to solve. Then one more thing is there, after the Vivek updates your attendance and you are given the test and Vivek fills up the test marks, then you have to give a feedback on the portal. That is necessary. On the portal, that feedback is available. You have to search for it, search the proper place for it, give the feedback. When all the three conditions are met, one, your attendance in the 80% attendance, 60% of the marks, and you have given the feedback. If you don't give feedback, then also you will not be able to download the certificate. So please meet these three conditions. Your certificate will automatically get downloaded. So do you want to ask any other question?
Sir,
Any other clarity?
Sir,
Yes.
even the feedback link, maybe because the last 2 times we have seen in the last day, feedback link were active. So you can all check in the AICT portal, feedback link may be active. So you can fill it now also.
Okay, you do
Yes,
it
sir, it is
today.
active.
After the test, you can do it. Not a
Yes.
problem. Okay. It will be, if it is active, you can do it. So it was a very good time to have all of you with the Government Engineering College. And I strongly hope that time will improve and a time will come when we will actually meet physically at one place and enjoy such FDP. Because in fact, then the more learning takes place. Peer learning takes place when you are physically there. If you are staying in some guest house or in a hotel, then lot of learning takes place. Lot of interaction takes place. So time will improve. Wish you all the best. Have a very good day. Have a very good time. Don't worry much about the test. Be calm, cool, and appear in the test. Thank you so much.
The feedback link is open, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you, team. Thank you so much.
2:30
Thank you all,
you will
sir.
get.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Team. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, Singhai sir. Thank you,
Thank you.
Vivek. Thank you, Indrani. And thanks to
Thank you,
Chawla
sir.
sir as well. Thanks everyone from GC Bilaspur for giving us this opportunity to attend this FDP.
Thank you for such a wonderful session. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Thank
the
you.
last
Thank
informative
you, sir,
5-day
from
session.
Dr. Ashutosh Pratap Singh, UP Institute of Design, Noida.
Thank you, Indrani ma'am.
Thank you,
You had to spend a lot of time for this FDP actually, even more than us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this opportunity.
Yes. So, okay, sir, I say goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you all.